8D stands for 8 disciplines, which constitute a popular problem-solving methodology. The 8D methodology has several common traits, such as to be data-driven, team-oriented, and capable of factoring in a wide range of problems. 8D is mostly used for reactive problem-solving in the industrial context. The method focuses on product and process improvements to eliminate problems, ensure quality, and win customer trust. However, since the method's robust problem-solving approach focuses on root causes, 8D is suitable to solve an array of business-related issues not just in the industrial or manufacturing realm. With an initial Discipline 0 as a preparatory stage, the sequential 8D methodology steps include Discipline 0. Prepare. Discipline 1. Define the team. Discipline 2. Describe the problem. Discipline 3. Develop an interim containment action, or ICA. Discipline 4. Determine the root cause. Discipline 5. Determine the permanent corrective action, or PCA. Discipline 6. Implement and validate PCA. Discipline 7. Prevent reoccurrence. And Discipline 8. Congratulate the team. The 8 disciplines can be further categorized into 3 logical stages of the process. The problem phase, in which the basic steps include define the team, describe the problem, and develop interim containment action. The root cause phase, which consists of exactly that. Determine the underlying cause or root cause of the problem. And finally, the action and prevention phase, which involves the steps determine permanent corrective action, implement and validate PCA, prevent reoccurrence, and congratulate the team.